Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available smart screen motions on Vivo Y35. And to do this, let's open up our settings, scroll all the way down and find the shortcuts and accessibility. You can locate the smart motion right here and see all of the functions. So first one is smart screen on and off, and here there's three options. Raise to wake. When the screen is off, pick up the phone and turn it on automatically. So let's pick it up. And the screen wakes up. If we place it down, it should dim. But let's skip that and proceed with another step, which is double tap to wake. When the screen is off, double tap it to turn it on. So double click and it should wake up. Let's see if it works the reverse way. It doesn't. Next one is double tap to turn off, and it works, but we need to get the other setting as well. So wake up and turn off. That works fine. Now another thing is smart wake, and here if we enter it, we can see a bunch of more settings. Slide upward to unlock. When the screen is off, use the different hand gestures to wake up the phone and activate the corresponding function of each gesture. So yeah, first slide down to take a photo and slide upward to unlock. But I guess this doesn't work as far as you have the draw pattern or something like that. And oh, it was disabled, so let's try it again. Okay, it works. And next one is slide downwards to take the photo. It opens up the camera. Draw M to play music. So on the lock screen you need to draw M and the music should be played. Slide horizontally to change the music. So you swipe like you would with a card, and it should change to previous or next track. Draw F to launch a Facebook, so you draw F and the Facebook should launch. Draw E, and here you can select which of the app will open. Next one is shake to turn on the torch, and here I have enabled this setting. Now we just need to pick up this phone and shake it, and it should turn on. It's a bit tricky, so let's unlock it maybe. So the display needs to be on, and I think then it works, yeah. So it doesn't work when you have your screen locked. You'll need to at least wake it up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.